It's a 2016 Chevrolet Traverse. Make room for everything you need in this beautiful SUV. It earned a best-in-class designation for maximum cargo space, grip to the road with a rear spoiler, and StabiliTrak. Slip behind the wheel and enjoy the power of the 3.6-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Stay connected on every escapade with OnStar 4G LTE capability. The long haul is much more pleasurable with Bluetooth, USB port and auxiliary audio input, Sirius XM satellite radio, and a color touchscreen media display.
The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it. Streamline your smartphone, digital media devices, and more with the attractive and seamlessly integrated Chevrolet MyLink system. The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is.
Settle in without settling at all. Take this willing and able SUV for a test drive.
Denoyer Chevrolet has been the area's #1 Chevrolet dealer for over 30 years. Located at 127 Wolf Road in Colony. Or visit us online at denoyerchevrolet.com.